Welcome to Amsterdam. This charming city, often called the Venice of the North, captivates visitors with its picturesque canals, rich history, and vibrant culture. Get ready to explore a city that effortlessly blends old-world charm with modern sophistication. Amsterdam's heart beats along its iconic canals. These waterways, more than 100 kilometers long, are not just a pretty face. They played a pivotal role in shaping the city's destiny. From its humble beginnings as a fishing village to its rise as a global trading power, Amsterdam has a story to tell. Join me as we delve into the heart of this fascinating city and uncover its hidden gems. Let's wander through its charming streets, cruise its romantic canals, and experience the true essence of Amsterdam. Get ready for an adventure, because in Amsterdam, every corner has a story to tell. Amsterdam's story is deeply intertwined with its canals. These waterways, dug in the 17th century, weren't just for transportation. They were engineered to drain the swampy land and create new areas for the burgeoning city. The canals, laid out in a concentric pattern, formed a system of canals and islands. This ingenious design earned Amsterdam the nickname Venice of the North. Take a canal cruise to really appreciate the city's unique layout. As you glide along the water, notice the tilting houses leaning against each other. Built on wooden piles driven deep into the soft ground, these houses are a testament to the city's innovative spirit. The canals weren't just practical, they became status symbols. Merchants built grand canal houses, showcasing their wealth and influence. Today, these houses are a coveted address, offering stunning canal views and a glimpse into Amsterdam's prosperous past. So, hop on a boat or stroll along the canal banks and let Amsterdam's watery arteries guide you through its captivating history. Amsterdam's fortunes soared in the 17th century. This period, known as the Dutch Golden Age, saw the city become a global centre of trade, art, and science. The Dutch East India Company, the world's first multinational corporation, was founded here, bringing immense wealth to Amsterdam. This prosperity fueled a cultural renaissance. Artists like Rembrandt and Vermeer captured the city's essence on canvas. Their masterpieces now housed in the Rijksmuseum. The Dutch were pioneers in cartography and astronomy. Their spirit of exploration is evident in the stories of explorers like Henry Hudson, who sailed for the Dutch East India Company. But the Golden Age couldn't last forever. Wars and economic decline took their toll. Yet, Amsterdam persevered, reinventing itself over the centuries. Today, it's a vibrant hub of international commerce, a testament to its enduring spirit. Amsterdam's artistic legacy is immense. The city nurtured some of the world's greatest painters, and their masterpieces are on display in world-renowned museums. No visit to Amsterdam is complete without a visit to the Rijksmuseum. Here, you'll come face to face with Rembrandt's The Night Watch, a monumental painting that encapsulates the Dutch Golden Age. For a deep dive into the world of Van Gogh, the Van Gogh Museum is a must. Discover the evolution of his style and the troubled genius behind the sunflowers and starry nights. But Amsterdam's art scene isn't confined to museums. The city is teeming with galleries showcasing contemporary art, photography, and design. Explore the trendy Jordaan district, known for its independent art spaces and quirky boutiques. For a taste of live entertainment, catch a concert at the Concert Gogh, renowned for its exceptional acoustics. From classical music to jazz and world music, Amsterdam offers a diverse cultural menu for every taste. Amsterdam is a cyclist's paradise. With more bikes than people, cycling is not just a mode of transport here, it's a way of life. Rent a bike and join the locals as they navigate the city's flat streets and charming canals. Cycle along the Prinsengracht, one of the city's most picturesque canals, and admire the elegant canal houses. Don't be surprised if you find yourself sharing the bike path with a cargo bike carrying groceries, children, or even furniture. For a unique perspective, take a canal cruise. These leisurely boat tours offer stunning views of the city from the water. Glide under bridges, past houseboats decorated with flower boxes, and witness the city's vibrant life unfold along the canals. Whether you prefer to explore on two wheels or by boat, Amsterdam's canals offer a unique and unforgettable perspective on this captivating city. Amsterdam's culinary scene is as diverse as its inhabitants. From Michelin-starred restaurants to cosy brown cafes, the city offers a smorgasbord of flavours to tantalise your taste buds. Indulge in traditional Dutch fare like stampot, a hearty dish of mashed potatoes with vegetables and sausage. For a quick and tasty lunch, grab a Bruges herring, a raw herring sandwich, a local delicacy. And no trip to Amsterdam is complete without trying stroopwafels, thin, crispy waffles filled with caramel syrup. Amsterdam's brown cafes, named for their wood-panelled interiors stained by years of cigarette smoke, now banned, are an institution. These cosy pubs are perfect for enjoying a local beer or a cup of coffee. Soak up the convivial atmosphere, strike up a conversation with the locals, and experience the true flavour of Amsterdam. Amsterdam has a long-standing reputation for its liberal and tolerant attitude. The city has always been a melting pot of cultures and ideas, a place where people are free to be themselves. This open-mindedness is reflected in its progressive policies on issues like cannabis use and prostitution, which, while controversial, are regulated and controlled. The red light district, while notorious, is just one facet of Amsterdam's complex character. The city also has a rich history of social activism and progressive thought. Amsterdam's liberal spirit is best embodied in its people. Friendly, open and tolerant, Amsterdammers welcome visitors with open arms. So, feel free to express yourself, engage in open conversations, and experience the city's unique brand of freedom. But remember, respect is key. While Amsterdam embraces individuality, it also values social responsibility and respect for others. Amsterdam is a city that seamlessly blends its historic charm with modern dynamism. While its canals and Golden Age heritage draw millions of visitors each year, Amsterdam is not stuck in the past. It's a thriving hub of international business, technology, and innovation. The city is home to a growing startup scene, attracting entrepreneurs and innovators from around the world. Amsterdam's universities are renowned for their academic excellence, contributing to its reputation as a centre of knowledge and research. And let's not forget Amsterdam's vibrant nightlife. From trendy nightclubs to cosy jazz bars, the city comes alive after dark. Whether you're looking for electronic dance music, live music, or just a place to relax and enjoy a drink, Amsterdam has something for everyone. So, come experience the best of both worlds in Amsterdam, a city where history, culture, and modernity intertwine to create a truly unique and unforgettable experience. As your journey through Amsterdam comes to an end, take a moment to reflect on all that you've experienced. From its picturesque canals and historic treasures to its vibrant culture and open-minded spirit, Amsterdam leaves a lasting impression. You've wandered through its charming streets, marveling at the tilting houses and colourful houseboats. You've delved into its rich history, from the Golden Age to its modern-day dynamism. You've savoured its culinary delights, from traditional Dutch fare to international cuisine. But most importantly, you've experienced the heart and soul of Amsterdam, its people. Their warmth, openness, and zest for life are contagious. Amsterdam is a city that stays with you long after you've said goodbye. It's a city that invites you to return, to explore further, and to discover something new with each visit. So, keep the spirit of Amsterdam alive within you. Embrace its message of tolerance, open-mindedness, and joie de vivre. And who knows, maybe one day our paths will cross again on the charming canals of Amsterdam. Tot ziens.